Hi everyone, this is Dr. Ankush Bhatia and I welcome you back to the channel. Friends, today I'm going to talk about post-operative instructions following a tooth extraction. Now, irrespective the reason behind a tooth extraction, there are certain basic precautions that a patient needs to take. So I'll be discussing about that. So first and foremost, whenever a tooth extraction is done, uh, the patient is under anesthesia and there is a gauze piece or a cotton piece that is placed at the site of extraction to control the bleeding. So the first precaution or first instruction uh, to be followed is remove that cotton roll or gauze piece after say about 45 minutes. You're not supposed to spit that piece out. You're supposed to clean, wash your hands, and then take it out with your hands and throw it in a dustbin. You're not supposed to spit. Once you spit, you'll be spitting out the blood clot as well, and it will again start bleeding. So make sure you remove the gauze piece after 45 minutes of tooth extraction. We have seen instances where patient forgets to remove the cotton or the gauze piece and it stays in the mouth for a couple of days and then it causes infection. So make sure you remove the cotton piece or the gauze piece after 45 minutes. Now once you remove the cotton piece or the gauze piece, you're supposed to have something cold, not necessarily freezing cold, but something cold that will reduce the inflammation around that area, reduce the bleeding, and will be more comfortable for you. So have something cold, either ice cream, curd, juice, anything will do, nothing aerated, and you're not supposed to use a straw if you're taking any drink. Now, the reason behind asking you not to use the straw is that once you use the straw, there is a negative pressure that is created in the mouth and it will again dislodge the blood clot. So, after having something, the third thing that is to be done is take care of your medication. I'm sure your doctor will prescribe you certain anti inflammatory drugs or even certain antibiotics if required. So, you're supposed to take an anti inflammatory after, say, about half an hour, 45 minutes, once you remove the gauze piece, because the effect of anesthesia will start to wear off very soon and then you might have some pain or discomfort. So it's always better to take a prophylactic anti-inflammatory to be more comfortable. The next thing that has to be kept in mind is that you need to take care of your diet for first 24 hours. You're not supposed to eat anything spicy, anything hot. By hot, I mean anything that is above the room temperature. Even if you're having any beverage that is tea or coffee, it is supposed to be at the room temperature. The reason is that whenever we perform a surgery, whenever we do a surgery on a particular tooth or area of the mouth, definitely there will be some inflammation around that area, and if you take anything hot over it, it will increase the inflammation. So it's the same reason why we ask you to take anything cold. So the next thing is that you're not supposed to spit for first 24 hours. Whatever blood, whatever saliva that's coming in your mouth, you're supposed to gulp it. Uh, the reason again is if you spit forcefully, you'll dislodge the blood clot and again it will start bleeding, which can result in secondary hemorrhage, which we don't want. So it's always better to avoid anything that can deteriorate your condition. Also keep a follow-up appointment with your doctor or your dentist. Usually the surgeon who has performed the surgery will definitely call you back himself, but just in case, you should always go back to your dentist and get everything checked after 48 hours, uh, just to be sure that the inflammation is under control and there is nothing wrong going around the tooth socket that has been extracted. Also, your dentist can always do a thorough cleaning around the area so that the healing is better and it's on time. Avoid anything that can affect your healing. That is, if you're a smoker, you should avoid smoking for at least 3 days, 3 to 4 days. Again, the temperature will increase because of smoking, and the blood clot will deteriorate. Anyhow, you should leave smoking in either case. You're not supposed to take any alcohol. Obviously, you will be prescribed certain medication, and some medications can give you adverse reaction with alcohol. So it's always better to avoid any alcohol with any kind of medication. So these are the basic instructions that are to be followed. Keep a regular follow up with your doctor. And another very important instruction that I would like to add with these general instruction is that unless until you have gotten a wisdom tooth extracted, make sure you are replacing the tooth as soon as possible. I mean, whenever the condition of the mouth is good enough for you to replace the tooth, I think you should do it ASAP. Not only it will give you a better chance of replacement, but otherwise also the overall ecosystem of your mouth will be retained and will be maintained. So these are the basic instructions that are to be followed after a tooth extraction. I hope this helps, and just in case you have any doubts, you can always DM us and we will get back to you. Thank you.